guys, welcome back to my channel, and I want to show you the cutest card I got from Maniology. They wrote such a sweet note, and this is actually the second year I have gotten these cookies. They send them out as little thank yous for working with them throughout the year. And let me tell you, these cookies are so good. And if you don't know, Maniology is based in Hawaii. I don't really share these, I'm just gonna say that. I don't even know if my husband knew that I got them last year. Okay, our little secret blasted on the internet, okay? So I'm actually going to jump in a PR package that they sent me. Okay. Sent me so many goodies. Oh, look at how cute these little stickers are. My son is going to eat these up. I need to give them, because he has a little sticker book that he loves to use stickers in. So I'm absolutely going to give that to him. Let's start with the plates. So this one is M432, and the reason I asked for this one is because of like these wood grain looks. I have an idea that I want to do for the holiday to kind of have like more of a wood grain background and kind of like woodsy. This is really great for fall too, for like those woodsy scenes. Actually, let me just keep it out. And then this is one of their new plates, I believe. This is M428. And if you guys know anything about me, I'm obsessed with penguins. Obsessed. And I can add all these little different accessories. And then again, you have these multi-stamping plates. So, I should say multi-image. So like layering stamping. There we go. I can eventually get it out here, and then you have like the little icicle here and the little snowy background. And what I also love about this snowy background is you don't have to do anything. Paint the nail and swipe and do it all. Like, you don't have to do anything, and it literally creates a scene for you. So I absolutely loved that. And then the last one is this bad boy, and these are kind of like the faded images, so they're really great if you, I like to stamp my nails downward, meaning like the image goes down, so it kind of like fades down, which I think is really great. And I want to do an ombre for you guys to show you how I would use these, because I think it's really cool to do kind of an ombre as well. So I'm so excited to play with these. Oh, and this is M400. On to the stamping polishes. Nice tile here. So let's swatch these ones. So I picked up some basic ones because honestly, I needed some good basic ones. Let's be real here. Oh, this is B186, and it is that silver, and this is just normal polish, but it's the stamping polish. So this is not a gel polish, so you can essentially put it on your fingers and it's not a big deal. I don't want someone to see me do this and think that I'm doing gel polish on, like just painting it. No, it's not gel. Next up we have the gold, which is B333. Ooh, I like that one. Look at that. And you can actually stamp a stamp on this, but I like to just see the chunk of color. Next color up is B262. And this is a little bit more of a glittery gold. This does look like it has a little bit of a green undertone, but I just loved that glitter. And I also asked for a chocolate brown, which is B479. I was gonna say 6. Does that make me dyslexic? or the fact that I just can't read. Love that. Next up is a skin color, and this is B325. I absolutely need skin tones. Obviously this is significantly darker than me, but I needed skin tones. Next up is B268. Ooh, I like that one. And last but not least, I wanted a pearly white, which is B316. Ooh, that might be my favorite one. I'm so excited for this one. I'd like to thank Maniology for sending these over to me. I do have a discount code with them. I'll make sure to link it below. Again, I went for a little bit more neutral tones because I do have some of the other like holiday colors from my previous collection. So I wanted to add those skin tones in there. And then obviously I added some browns to do that kind of wood background look. So I will make sure to link everything below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.